Planning a trip into or out of South Africa? Enjoy a smooth passage through customs at land, sea, air, or rail ports by declaring your goods, including currency, before you travel using the South African Online Traveller Declaration System. You can access the South African Online Traveller Declaration System through any mobile device or laptop with internet connectivity. Declaring is quick to do. All you need are your travel details. Step 1. Download the SATMS app or go to sars.gov.za/traveller declaration and click on Complete Declaration. Step 2. After completing your personal details, click Next. Choose your traveller type, personal or business, and fill in your details. Step 3. Declare goods, including currency in your possession, and pay any duties and VAT if applicable. Step 4. Submit your declaration. You'll receive confirmation via email or SMS, then proceed to the customs processing area to access your submitted declaration at the relevant port or border crossing. Travel hassle-free. Your declaration is accessible at the customs area if needed. Traveling with minors? Declare on their behalf too. Know your duty-free limits. For more information, visit sars.gov.za/traveller declaration. Declare smart, travel smoother.